Most contractors make the same mistake when choosing software. They assume every construction platform does the same thing, so they just pick the most popular one. But that decision can slow down your entire business. Here's the truth no one tells you. Knowify and Buildertrend are both powerful, but they are built for very different levels of construction businesses. Choosing wrong can mean either paying for features you never use or missing tools you actually need. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll clearly understand Knowify versus Buildertrend in 2026, what each one is best at, and which one fits your construction business without wasting money or time. Let's start with Knowify. Knowify is designed mainly for contractors and specialty trades. Think HVAC, electrical, plumbing, or small construction teams. Someone like Alex, who runs a growing electrical business, needs accurate job costing, estimates, and invoicing. Knowify focuses heavily on financial control, so you always know if a job is profitable or not. Now, let's look at Buildertrend. Buildertrend is built for larger construction companies, especially home builders and remodeling firms. Think of John, who manages multiple renovation projects at the same time with different crews, clients, and timelines. Buildertrend is built for that complexity. It handles scheduling, client communication, project management, and full construction workflows in one system. But here's the problem. Many small contractors jump into Buildertrend, thinking bigger is better. But they quickly feel overwhelmed. There are more features than they actually need, and the learning curve can slow down day-to-day work. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real difference is focus. Knowify focuses on financial control and job costing. Buildertrend focuses on full project management and client experience. One helps you track money tightly. The other helps you manage large construction operations smoothly. Let's talk usability. Knowify is generally easier for small to mid-sized contractors to adopt. It is more direct, more focused, and quicker to learn. Buildertrend takes longer to master, but once your business scales, it becomes extremely powerful for managing multiple projects at once. Integrations also matter. Both tools connect with accounting systems, but Buildertrend offers a broader ecosystem for client communication, scheduling, and project visibility. Knowify stays more focused on internal financial accuracy. So which one is better in 2026? If you are a small to mid-sized contractor who wants strong job costing, budgeting, and profit tracking, Knowify is often the smarter choice. But if you are running a larger construction business with multiple teams, clients, and long-term projects, Buildertrend is built for that level of complexity. Here's the bottom line. Knowify helps you control the money. Buildertrend helps you control the entire construction process. The right choice depends on whether your biggest challenge is tracking profit or managing scale. If this comparison helped you, like the video, comment with your business size, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns that help you choose the right tools without confusion.